Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the original platform and account details so you can prove ownership. This prevents wasted steps later. Once those are ready, retrieve the transfer code or receipts and note the device model and OS version. Next, make sure the game is closed, toggle the network briefly, then relaunch Battle Cats and enter recovery mode using the in-game menu. This gets you into the only path that allows account restoration instead of fresh starts. Once in recovery mode, choose the Only Way Restore option because it targets lost progress without overriding other accounts. Then carefully enter the transfer code or sign in with the exact linked social account. Typos here block recovery. After authentication, the game will show saved timestamps and backups. Compare these to your known last session and select the correct save. Make sure to accept any prompts to merge or replace data so the chosen save becomes active. Finish by letting the restore complete, then restart the game and check that your units, levels, and currency match expectations. This confirms success. Once verified, relink the account and generate a fresh transfer code to prevent repeats. If the restore fails, do not panic. Gather proof of purchase, screenshots of device info, and the original transfer code. Retry the process on a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if needed, contact support with that evidence to escalate the recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.